Okay, so this is a quick tutorial on how to use my model, the converted model from my anime converted models over to Dust Studio. So in this example, I have Anna from Kingdom Hearts. Okay, so what I have here, right, basically is that her face, if you notice, this is her head model, right, has all the skeletons of the actual game mesh. So this skeleton rigging down here is actually what Kingdom Hearts game uses for their game. Okay, so I actually just ported the whole thing over. So how to use this, right, is actually very simple. All you need to do is to find the corresponding bones and move them around. So in this case, for example, I want her to smile, so I'll just move her lips. In this case, it's the left upper corner of her lips. Okay, so just move it around to get the proper facial expression that you want. Right, then maybe if I want to show teeth a little bit, make a bit of a grin, you know, things like that. And yeah, so you just need to move her skeleton and bones around until you get something that you want. Like say for example, in this case, I have a fairly sideway grin, right? Okay, and then maybe say I'll make her eyes a little bit wider, her eyebrows a little bit. Yep, so it depends on what kind of expression you want her to have. So all you need to do is just to move the bones around until you get what you want. So in this case, maybe say just for contrast, since that one I widened it, so I will narrow down her eyes here, and like so. Right, so all the bones that is required for this are already inside the model. All you have to do is just to move them around. So something like that. So I've got one wide eye, one narrow eye, and a very big grin. Okay, not that big, since you can actually push it up really high. I actually disable all the limits, so it's up to you whether you want to respect them or you want to push it like really huge, stuff like that. You know, entirely up to you. Okay, so this is basically how to use the facial models that I have. Hope this is useful for you. Thank you very much. Goodbye.